So it's been exactly 2 weeks since I've had the hair transplant. I've got a light shining here, so yeah, you can definitely see the difference between the hair, natural hair, and say the transplanted hair. 2 weeks exactly, and I've got all the dead skin off and all the scabs off. It looks like there's any little bits in my hair. There actually aren't any. I just sprayed it about half an hour ago with this called Ultimate Panthenol, which I bought at the pharmacy at the airport in Istanbul. They recommended it pretty much to avoid itching, I think, and it's full of vitamins and it helps the roots grow and all that. Let's have a look at the donor area. So around the ears, yeah, it's taking a bit of time there. The back seems to look okay-ish. It seems a lot redder, but then, as I said, I've got a really bright light in my bathroom here. Yeah, so that's what it looks like. I'm pretty pleased so far. Quite honestly, if you just look at me like this, especially if people are shorter than me, they don't really notice now that anything's happened. They just think I've shaved all my hair off, really. So only 2 weeks after the procedure, I'd say that's pretty good. So I guess now I'm waiting for the shedding phase, which I'm not really looking forward to. It kind of feels like it'll be a few steps backwards, but apparently we've got to go through it. I guess the next update will be when that happens, if it happens. I don't know. Apparently only about 10% of people don't have shedding, and I don't know if it's better if you do have shedding or not. I think you might be better if there is shedding, because it means your hair will grow back thicker and stronger. I don't know. So I mean, I'll do another video when something happens, basically. So see you soon.